kasama natin ng mga opisyales at iba't ibang paaralan ng Paprisa. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sino po dito galing sa private schools po natin, galing sa Paprisa schools po? May ilan. At siyempre, lahat ng mga atleta po natin, lahat ng principal, sa lahat ng coaches, di ko na isa-isahin para maiksi na lang po ang pagbati dahil maya-maya, mainit-init na po ang araw. Gusto ko lang po kayo i-congratulate in advance. Alam ko magiging maganda at masaya ang ating mga palaro sa ating division meet. We also look forward na mapanood kayo, makita kayo sa mga regional meet natin hanggang sa palarong pambansa. Good luck po sa lahat. Alam niyo, ang sports talagang napakaganda. Ako, nung mag-aaral ako, bilang mag-aaral, talagang yung mga pinakamagagandang memory ko bilang mag-aaral ay nasa sports, bilang atleta rin nung grade school, high school. At sa sports, ang dami natin nakukuha maganda. Nauubog ang ating pagkatao, na-develop yung spirit of excellence, competition, teamwork, at marami pang iba. Pero paalala lang din po mula sa akin na huwag kakalimutan na kahit anong galing natin sa sports, ay sa puntong ito, mas importante pa rin ang ating pag-aaral. Kaya ano man ang kompetisyon o paligsahan na sasalihan natin, ano man ang training o pag-iensayo na gagawin natin, huwag natin kakalimutan ang ating pag-aaral. Muli po sa lahat ng atleta, pati na rin sa mga coaches natin, good luck po sa lahat and congratulations in advance. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you to our good-looking mayor of Pasig City, Honorable Mayor Vico Soto. Fair and just competition is the foundation of any sporting event. Our officiating officials play a crucial role in ensuring that the games are conducted with integrity, fairness, and adherence to the rules. Leading the oath of officiating officials is Mr. Erlindo Eusebio, a respected official known for his dedication to upholding the principles of fairness in sports. May I now call on Mr. Erlindo Eusebio.
Good morning po. Pinakikisapang po lahat ng district officials. Dito po tayo sa harap ng stage. Mag-iisa po ako. Lahat po ng technical officials. Hello. Okay. District officials, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the officials of the 2025 Division Athletic Meet, do hereby solemnly swear to perform our respective duties and responsibility assigned to us to the best of our abilities, with the highest degree of honesty and integrity, in the true spirit of fair play. So help us God. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Eliga. And so while waiting for other guests, we continue, okay? We continue to enjoy the spirit of sportsmanship and athletic excellence here at the Scrolls Edition League. We are in for an exciting trip. So next, we will be witnessing an amazing intermission number from none other than our talented Ayus team, showcasing the Filipino martial art that embodies agility, precision, and discipline. This performance has been made possible by this team with intermission number. Again, actors, let us give them a big round of applause.
Tulungan ang kapwa, bigyang halaga, huwag ang akin ng bala. Isipin mo sana ang sa'yo.
1. Thank you very much to our news team. At this point, athletes will have weightlifting demo led by their trainer Juanito A. Paredes Jr. Okay. For our division mates this year. Okay? Again, our weightlifting demo from Rizal High School. Nagpalong high school po. Good morning po Mayor, good evening po, good morning po lahat. So we have the new breeds of winners from Batang Pinoy. So starting at 53 kilograms plus by Aira Papina, grade 10. So the weight is that weight is for the demo for division and for the demo for palarong pambansa. So Aira Papina, grade 10. Ang bar po natin is 25 kilograms. Ang weight po is 30 kilograms. Ito po ang nagsilbi ni Denise sa Batang Pinoy. Goodness. So load the weight to 55 kilograms, 1 sack and 5 kilos. Isang sako po yan at 5 kilo. $55 na yan. So, John Paul Toribio, grade 11, 55 snatch. Good move. Next, Aira for 55 kilograms clean and go. Isang sako po yan at 5 kilo. Loader. Change the weight to 75 kilograms. 75 kilograms. So, 1 kilo saka 25 kilos. So, 75 kilos.
Lininjo, 75 kilograms. Visit. Marami pong salamat. Yan lang po.
Okay, thank you po, Sir Juanito Paredes. Okay. And meron pa rin po isa na magpapakitang gilas natin sa weightlifting.
Bote lahat yan. Yan, bigat yan.
Okay, 150 kilo. 150 kilo. So, Juanito.
Finish daw, finish.
Okay, once again, thank you to our weightlifters from Northfire High School, led by Sir Juanito Paredes.
Wala nang panahon para sabihin.
And good luck to your talang pambansa. Okay, at this point, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our City Councilor, Simon Tantoco. May we request him for his message, a short message to our athletes.
Thank you everyone. Of course, good morning sa ating mayor, kay Sir VJ. Siguro masashare ko lang, kami were once asked. Siguro yung pinaka-nadala namin sa career namin ngayon is yung disiplina at syempre pakikisama sa ating mga teammates. So siguro sa lahat ng students dito, kung sakaling hindi man tayo maging professional athletes in the future, sigurado ako itong mga natutunan natin tulad ng disiplina at ayun, pakikibahagi sa ating mga colleagues, madadala natin yan sa iba't ibang professions natin. So, thank you to everyone who made this happen sa lahat ng both teaching and non-teaching faculty. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And God bless po and good morning.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you very much. After days of anticipation, training, and preparation, the time has finally come for us to officially kick off the 2025 Sports Division meal. How about a shout? Hey! Oh, nandiyan pa ba kayo, athletes? I cannot hear you. Okay, gutom na siguro kayo. Kaya, let's go on na. During the Chelsea competition, a celebration of the spirit of sportsmanship, teamwork, and excellence. Today, we gather to witness the incredible talent and dedication of our athletes who will inspire us all through their passion and performance. And on behalf of our Schools Division Superintendent, with great pride and enthusiasm, I now call upon our Chief Education Supervisor of School Governance and Operations Division, Dr. Victor Habanya, to formally declare the 2025 Schools Division meet open. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa ating mga officials. By the way, show tayo busy with me by our Schools Division Superintendent, Ms. Cheryl T. Gayola. I now
declare the sports meet 2025 open. Congratulations to all of our athletes. So,